Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a problem in our final exam, which is to evaluate the integration of system. So, in order to do this, we know that. So first of all, let's write the solution down. So we know that this is a rational function. So it's a quotient of two polynomials. So it's a rational function. So the first our method to evaluate this integral is to apply the method of partial fractions. So we just write it down as a sum of very simple rational functions, which is because we know that um, the denominator can be decomposed into a product of two linear polynomials with some multiplicities. So finally, we will obtain the decomposition as follows, where A, B, C, D to be determined. And in this case, we can rapidly compute C and D, which is by multiplying one by factors like x plus 2y squared or x minus 2y squared. The first one will give us the result of C, and the second one will give us the result of D. And then we substitute x by minus 2i or plus 2i, and then we will obtain that C and D just by direct calculation. And then we can compute the result because we have known the result of C and D. So this will just be x plus 2y squared plus x minus 2y squared over 1, and which is equal to 1 over 4 times x squared plus 4 squared. And the numerator is just 2 times x squared minus 4. So this will become 2 times x squared plus 4 squared over x squared minus 4. And we move this to the left-hand side. Then we will give, then this will tell us that the sum of the rest of the remainings are just the very simple one, which is x squared plus 4. So this will just be 1 over 2 times x squared plus 4. So this will equal to a over x plus 2i plus b over x minus 2i. So we don't even need to compute the explicit value of a and b because we know that this can be easily computed. Okay. So now we can just compute the integration, and so this will become 1 over 2 times x squared plus 4 and plus 1 over 4 times 1 over x plus 2i squared plus 1 over x minus 2i squared and integral over dx. And this will become, for the first one, we know that we can just write x squared equals x over 2 squared, and then we can just substitute x by x over 2, and then the 4 will be equal to 1. So this will be a over 1 of x over 2 squared plus 1, and then dx. And we can substitute x by x over 2, and finally we get 4 over 4 of integration over 0 and 2, and which is x over 2 squared plus 1 d x over 2, and which will be equal to 1 over 4, the arctangent of x over 2 with value at 0 and 2, which is just pi over 8, pi over 4, which is just well, if are there any typos here? No, there are no typos. Yeah, so this will be 16 over pi. So this will be 16 over pi plus 1 over 4 integration over 1 of x plus 2y squared plus x minus 2y squared. And we know that this is just a power of a rational function. So we know that the final result is pi over 16 minus 1 over 8. So this is just pi minus 2 over 16. So this completes our computation. And that's what I'm going to say today.